Little Kitten. One day, Cookie the kitten found a ball of string. "Just what I've always wanted," she said happily. "Strings is great for wrapping parcels," said Hedgehog. "Have some," said Cookie, and gave him a piece. By the stream she met the twins. "Can we have some of your string?" Billy asked. "To use as a skipping rope," added Millie. "Yes," said Cookie, and cut off 2 pieces. In the field she met Dormouse. "I need some string to mend my hammock," said Dormouse. "Take as much as you need," said Cookie rather sadly. There wasn't much string left now. Suddenly, all the animals arrived. Hedgehog handed Cookie a parcel wrapped in string. Inside was a lovely new soft ball. "It's the best present ever," she laughed. "Even better than string." I hope you enjoy this book. Don't forget, be good for Mummy and Daddy. Bye-bye.